Hey guys, Jay back again, Wixwise at Fat Audio, and we have another rescue mission. But as you probably saw from the thumbnail, not the car you would expect. Here we go. We have a Lambo Murcielago that has actually come from Singapore. Has a Velside body kit on it. Why it brings it here at this point in time, so it came in for basically a simple head unit upgrade. I had an old Pioneer in there, wanted some new features, wanted some more functions, standard stuff, and a bit of a speaker upgrade because it's a bit of a mismatch in there. So fine, seems like a pretty standard mission for us. Seems like, but of course, we all know how it goes. Are you ready? Straight away, the first thing we notice is, well, hang on, that's not sitting very well. That doesn't seem right to start with. Okay, well that's a bit strange. So, what do? Uh-oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. How can someone do this to that? All of the face palm. I've got no words for it, but it is here and we are fixing it, and that's what matters. So looks like what they've tried to do is basically, well, not tried, they have urethaned the amplifier to this fuse cover plate, and then urethane the floor back to the amplifier. Now, that's pretty terrible. And then to add to the fact of, who knows what this damn amplifier is? Some cheap Chinese something or other, which is, yep, whatever. And then to add to this, we spin around and have a look in the door, and we can see, oh hang on, what's that? An Alpine G-type with a Hertz tweeter. Right. No, that's just, okay. So, let's pull this apart and we'll get to the party piece. I have already had this out, so we'll pull him back out. Tasty. Yum yum. And now it starts getting interesting. So we can already see we've got some extra dangles and some really shitty broken RCAs. Cool, fine. Now let's get to the fun bit. This panel here, as you can see, it's flopping around at the moment. I have already had it off because the entire thing was urethaned back together. I said, urethane back together. No, couldn't have put a new clip in it. Couldn't have tried to fix it. No, why fix it properly? Just slap some urethane on it, jam it together, put some masking tape on it. So let's have a look at how bad this is. So for a start, this one will just basically fall out now because I've had it out. See, literally just fell out. Uh-oh, you can already see what's going on back there. Uh-oh. Oh, let's get this out. Some lovely massive blobs of urethane and all sorts of sealer and crap. When there's spots for clips. Making no sense. And you can see they've actually put urethane all the way through the seam to make sure that they join together and stay joined together. Hopeless. Hopeless. Something else to add to the list. Now the fun bit. Let's get a torch. I hope you've eaten. No, actually, I hope you haven't eaten. We've been through this before. Anyway, be prepared. Yep, that is what we're dealing with here. Let me have a gentle Now, of course, here's another worry. See that? That there is a GPS tracker with a SIM card in it. Customer did not even know that was in here, which is a bit of a concern if you ask me. It's not nice having a GPS tracker in your car when it's not your tracker. Yep, anyway. And so to add to, oh look, there's a spot for a clip. Yep. And there's also, you can see up here, that one there is another spot for a clip that's just been bent up out of the way. Something else I'll repair, and there is one more clip spot. You can see him hiding down under here, down there. So I will go back and use all of said clip holes and actually clip the panel together like it's supposed to. Joy. All right, bad enough that this is our power for the amplifier, which is about 10 gauge if it's lucky. Yeah, okay, look, I mean, a small 4-channel will run on 10 gauge. That's not a big issue, but then let's follow that back and see where he goes. There's the end of it. Oh, what's that connected to? Let's have a look. 3mm head unit wiring. Yes. Joy, oh joy, oh joy. And of course, digital TV tuner, so that means there's some digital TV antennas, one on either side, so I'll pull them out as well. Yep, so there's another big deal with. So I guess the next thing is get the head unit out and see how bad it is from that end. Let's get it out and have a look. So you can sort of see stuff hiding down in the corner there still, but regardless, this is our lovely fascia, which is, yep, but whatever, it's got to come apart, so see what I can do, get this thing out. I'm going to assume that it's probably double-sided tape together.
You know what? I can see it. It's fucking siliconed in.
Oh. Actually, you know what? That would not surprise me one bit, considering half the fucking panels.
Right there, a little bit of silicon.
That's urethane, isn't it?
No, it's silicon.
Oh my god, it is too.
Nice spot, Tim.
I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but let me try and zoom this in. Right in that corner there, you can see a blob of silicon. That's how this shit's being held together. Yippee. Haha, there's still silicon attached to the side of the head unit. The problem is just getting the goddamn thing apart without damaging anything now, because you've got to basically rip the whole thing to pieces.
Yeah, basically. Because it's...
So I've got that one released.
Okay, good, good.
It's the fact that this bottom corner is tucked in.
I'm just thinking, could you get an angled pry tool in?
Oh my god. Okay, that's progress.
That is progress. There you go.
That is not... And there was double-sided tape too.
Ah!
Called it.
Fucking hell. Really?
Wow.
Dude, that's...
I'm not gonna lie, I did clench a little. Oh, wow. Is that a screw jammed in as a spacer?
Yeah, it looks like it.
And the whole fucking head unit is siliconed in. Look at this. What the actual... Oh my god. So we've got a mixture of silicon, double-sided tape, a random screw that looks like it's jammed in as a spacer, some more double-sided tape, and some more silicon. And a completely hacked cage, and we can already see, oh, if I can get the camera down enough, a big ass backing strap holding the back of the unit. I mean, the backing strap, that's not the worst thing in the world, but oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Alright, let's keep getting this thing out. So the next question is how the actual are we going to get this out?
It might be worthwhile trying to scrape away the silicone and the paper.
Well,
And
yeah.
seeing if they've got screws behind it or...
Thing is, I really need to get this backing strap off the unit first. Alright, well, that's the screw from the back. Now, try and split all this silicone, see if I can get the head unit out. Whoop, whoop. Got him. Yum yum. Okay, I wasn't joking when I said they literally used a screw as a spacer. Oh my god. Almost. Hey. There it is. Oh god. Look at that. What the actual... Well, that at least now allows me to get into the deep dark hole of I got nothing. So of course, on top of all of that, we have pulled apart the rear where the camera goes back here, so that's why there's a garnish missing. Yep, that's damage from the previous reverse camera. And there's our reverse camera wiring. With any luck, because these are a prick to put camera wiring through, basically the only way to do it is get them open. All of those panels down the side of that engine bay need to come apart. Probably the inner guard lining on the passenger side, because the battery is actually up in there. So you've got to get all of those linings out to try and feed a camera through. So we'll see how we go, because of course, no surprise, there's some more crap down here to deal with, which I'm confident is to do with the camera. So we do have our camera wire there that's fed through. I don't know, we might maybe be lucky enough that we can actually pull that through and use it as a stringer, but I don't like my chances. What the hell?